welcome back to the Wolf HunterZ channel. We're gonna react to some music for you guys. My name is Jon of the Wolf HunterZ, and this here is
Dolly. Hey,
Dolly of the Wolf HunterZ. Guys, we got social media links in the description box down below, so go click on them. Tell them, Dolly.
please.
That's right. Today's video. I feel like such a weird car salesman right now. All right. Today's video is brought to us by a really cool individual. It is Kai. Yes. And Kai, I just came up with a nickname for Kai. The Elder of Eldritch.
Ooh.
Ah, that's a good nickname. And so this is so deep. Kai has taken us on an Eldritch journey. We've seen them from their first album to their latest album, and now we're going back to the origin story of Eldritch.
Whoa.
We're checking out the band Watchtower, which is a progressive thrash metal band from Texas.
Nice.
Can you believe
Yay
this
for
is the
Texas.
inspiration? Yes! Don't mess with Texas, y'all. So this is pretty awesome, and this first song we're doing is actually called The Eldritch.
Oh.
This is where Eldritch got their band name from. This is deep, Kai. You are taking us deeper into this journey, and I appreciate that. Before we react, though, remember, y'all, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and definitely comment below. Need your comments, love your comments, with a side of lemonade. Wonderful. Let's check out Watchtower The Eldritch. My gosh, this band is like, they must be mathematicians, because this song is going through so many mathematical changes and breakdowns and just these little accents, and now I'm seeing the influence on Eldritch. In their older material, Eldritch had a lot of these same kinds of change-ups, a lot of like variations and little interesting parts, intricate beats, and this is really something special.
Yeah.
Wow. And I love the vocalist.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Woo, the
So
power
talented.
on that voice, that high, I love that high, powerful male metal vocal.
Yeah.
Something so awesome about that. And this video is freaking my brain out. It's got a top and a bottom
Yeah,
section.
you don't know where to look.
Ah! It's like when you used to play video games with your friends, and it's like two-player, and they split the screen, and you're just having like an aneurysm trying to keep up with it. Wow. that bass player?
Oh yeah.
It was just like, boom, 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 like, oh my gosh. And the drummer, everybody in this band is just getting to have their fun. I feel like they're kind of like, ooh, be next. For the next part, can I go like, and it's like, yeah, you can do that. It's just totally wild.
The vocals are my favorite. Like the way that, how high that can get is impressive.
Seriously,
Yeah.
and so much power.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, this entire band is so talented, and like I am not super into like thrash metal. Like I've never really listened to a lot of it, but how famous is Watchtower? Comment below. I want to know, like in the history of thrash metal bands, how big is Watchtower? Because they're so talented. Like I feel like they should be at the top of the totem pole in this world because it's so good. Ooh, yes! That's how you end that song.
That was perfect.
Yeah! Oh, man. What?
That was great.
Kai, you are a genius! Taking us on this journey. I really enjoyed that. And progressive thrash. That is a combination. I don't know if I've ever heard a combination of those two worlds before. And I was really intrigued. It feels to me like super talented musicians that love mathy music problems but also love metal coming together, and that's a really cool combination. You know, I love that. And we have another Watchtower song we're gonna be doing, so can't wait for that. Kai, thank you so much for this request.
Thank you.
Everybody who's hanging out with us, we hope you enjoyed this reaction. If you did, hit that subscribe button. Come on back and hang out with us again, gang. Love you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
I just wanna bang my girl.